There we go. This is what I'm going to watch. This is crazy. Alright. Now this looks like a fog. And if you look, this is, if you know my house, usually this is Cincinnati across the way. But what's so bizarre? I see millions and millions of small particles that are going up and down, but everywhere I turn, when I look at the lights, I wish I could zoom. I guess I can. And it looks like it's snow. But this ain't snow. Like I said, if you know my house, right across the way is downtown Cincinnati. And there's no downtown Cincinnati to be seen. There's no nothing to be seen. And I look up into the moon. There she is. And I still, I guess it's as big as I can get it. But incredibly, this looks like snow. The porch railing is wet. But there's no rain falling down. Yet it looks like snow, and everywhere I turn, this looks like we're having a snowstorm. This is the most bizarre, crazy ass shit I've ever seen. It looks like I got a snowstorm going upward, sideways, just not down. Okay? This is some bizarre, crazy ass crap. And this is a biblical shit that keeps going on. We've got volcanoes blowing, earthquakes happening, and here we've got particle fog. Millions and billions of water vapor? I don't know. But you tell me. Whoosh, whoosh, that make the sound effects that we should be hearing. Whoosh. People could sleep to this crap if there was only noise. It looks like a fucking blizzard, pardon my French. But it truly does, like we're having a blizzard out here at Cincinnati. Oh, I can see it now. It's so fine. Oh my God. I can physically see it. If I look up through my camera, this is the most, I swear, it's not, I don't feel no moisture on me. It's so fine. It has no weight, so it's not falling. It's just rolling in. This is one of the most bizarre things I've ever witnessed. Truly is. It's not snow, but it looks like snow. But it's not leaving nothing nowhere. It's not that cold. This is the most bizarre shit I've ever seen. What is the deal? So, here we are. It's the October, 9th, 10th, whatever. Couple days past Columbus Day here. And here I've got some bizarre, looks like we're having a blizzard here in Cincinnati. Blizzard 2017. There's an ongoing blizzard here in Cincinnati, Ohio, but the problem is The snow forgot to show up. This idiot stuff. Oh, hit the cats. But look at this. Look, we're having a fucking blizzard. I swear to God. I've never, ever witnessed these particles so much. This guy is slowing down for the weather. This is the most bizarre thing. I mean, if I leave it here, it's either we're in a giant snow globe, or it's Armageddon. That's it, man. It's coming. It's one of the things, you know, they tell you. Weird weather. Okay, snow is going up. It's not, and snow's not wet or cold, but it's blowing. It shows it's blowing. I can see it's blowing. It's the most minuscule. It's like a dust-free dust storm. I don't really know what to call this. I swear this is the most bizarre. And there's same moisture on my porch, but this looks like we're having a blizzard. Now my wife is from Florida. I might get her ass up to come out here and check this out, because this is the most craziest thing I've ever seen. Okay, look at this. Now look real close at the light, or look up in this light.
What is it?
It's like a little, it looks like snow or rain. It looks like snow blizzard to me. Look at that.
Rain. You're loud. You don't have to be yelling that loud.
But look at this shit.
I see it.
It's going sideways. And some of it's going, like if you look over here, it looks like it's going up. This is the most, look at, it's like a blizzard. If you look at this, if I took the sound off, you would think we're having a blizzard right now with the way it's acting.
That's weird.
Isn't this bizarre?
Yeah.
This is crazy. Yeah, I'm recording it right now. Here we are, Blizzard 2017. The blizzard where the snow never came. Looks like we're having a huge blizzard here in greater Cincinnati, Newport, Kentucky. But this is not a real snow. It's like a particle blizzard of rain droplets that have no home. They don't know if they need to fall down or fall up or fall sideways. They're going everywhere they can. It's the antifada of rain, of water. That's what's going on here. It's not going to the norms. Most bizarre things I've ever seen. It's all because of Trump. I know it. Yep, that's it. It's one of the Trump things. It has to be him. You know, it's bizarre weather, volcanoes. Now that snow where snow doesn't show, where a blizzard doesn't happen, but it looks like it's happening, because I swear to God, if I turn this sound off, you would think it's a blizzard. Blizzard time. That's funny.